Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add free shipping on Shopify. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then go to myshopify.com and be very sure that you have logged into your account as well. Once you are here, click on the settings over at the lower left. And then in here, you will need to scroll down over at store details. Once you're here, look for shipping and delivery. It has a truck icon. Once you are in shipping and delivery, wait for it to finish loading and then click on manage under shipping. Now this will lead you to another window. Wait for the website to finish loading. This might take some time, but don't worry, it should all be good. Once you are here, scroll down once again. Over at shipping zones and standard, you are going to click on the button that says add rate. Over at the rate name, you can just change this to standard. And then over at price, make sure you put 0 as a value so that it will be free. Once you are done, click on the green button that says done. Scroll down once again. And then over at international, just click on the button that says add rate. Once you do that, it's the same process. Rate the name, and then over at price, make sure you input 0 value so it will come out as free. Then just click on the green button that says done. Once you click done, it should now close. Now click save over at the upper right to make sure everything has been okay and tweaked properly to our liking. As you can see, from every other shipping options, there is a free option because we have already input a 0 value shipping fee. Now click on save on the upper right once you're all good and good to go. This one over here, this button over here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.